welcome back to my channel. And if you're new, welcome. As you guys can tell by the title, sorry, I cannot contain myself. As y'all can tell by the title, this is the first episode of the movie. We made it. We freaking made it. We picked up the keys yesterday, but we didn't really get to do much because it was at the end of the work day and we were just kind of like, we got the new place. But today, still end of work day, so it's a little bit dark outside. We're actually gonna go and deep clean the apartment. So I'm gonna do a little deep clean, a little montage for y'all, motivation for y'all. But I'm just so excited to share this journey with you guys. So before we even dive on in, do not forget to hit that subscribe button along with that notification bell so y'all can be notified every single time that I post. And be sure to follow me on Instagram and TikTok at Simply Soribel, where I'll be sharing little bits and pieces that might make it in the vlog, might not, but it will kind of give you guys a more in real life, up to date on this whole process. And without further ado, let's get right into the movie, guys. Okay, so the plan of action is to get some cleaning stuff, mainly re-up on some Swiffer because we're gonna wipe down the walls, and we also need some detergent to mop up our floors. Everything else we pretty much got. We got like toilet bowl cleaner, we got surface cleaners, we just got Ajax, we got the necessities. So let's see if we can find it and go quickly because I kind of don't want to spend too much time here.
How you make me feel when you come to mind. I can't keep my cool, baby, baby. I can't hold it inside. I can't wait each day just to see you. Trying to move in close to get you where you are.
A few moments later.
Okay, so we're in the new place, but not too much, not too much. Y'all gonna get a tour once it's officially cleaned. Right now we're trying to figure out a plan of attack, but let me just show y'all all the goodies that we got. Okay, so far we got the Swiffer Wet Jet, Scrub Daddy, sponges. We just got this little soap from Dollar Tree, Woot Woot. Barkeeper's Friends, we've heard nothing but amazing things about this. We got some of the pink stuff. Little Magic Eraser. We pretty much got the goods. We got this to clean the bathtub. We got the necessities. And then we also, sorry, he has no shirt on.
Not trying to be rude, baby, baby. Nothing venture, nothing gain. Oh, I'm telling you, baby, baby, baby. Cause I'm fine. Oh, baby, baby, oh yeah. Cause I check all the time. Words that stain in love, baby, baby. That's all I can use to stay my attention.
Hello, gorgeous people. Today is officially the freaking day. It is moving day. We are currently on our way to the apartment. We already picked up the keys, as you guys know. We cleaned, as y'all saw, and now we have to meet with the super before we actually officially start moving in. I will say this, y'all, it is currently freaking raining and we have to be done by 4. We have enough time. We have enough time. Like, we literally have enough time. It's not even that. It's just doing all this shit with the rain. But before we even move in, I wanted to give you guys an apartment tour. So once I'm done meeting with the super and doing all of those shebangs, I will see y'all again at the apartment. Welcome to my apartment. All right, let me go put my bag down and we better get real serious.
12 seconds later.
Okay, y'all, so we're serious, we're locked in. 4. We're currently in the living room / dining area. Behind me, where you guys see the windows, we're gonna have a dining table, real cutesy. And then if you follow me over here, this is where our TV is gonna go. Cute entertainment center per socket is up, because I mean the TV's meant to be mounted. And then if we go around here, this is pretty much the couch sitting area. Disregard the rug. I don't know if y'all can really see it. We're about to change that out for a new one, but come with me to the kitchen. And this is our kitchen. So in New York, we don't really have like massive kitchens with islands, and if you do, you're spending like $5,000 in rent. And I was not gonna do that. So we have our cute little kitchen where we have every single thing, stainless steel appliances, microwave, stove, dishwasher, refrigerator, sink, and hella cabinets. We have cabinets on this side and on this side, which we can't complain about. And if you follow me over here, this is actually gonna be my boyfriend's office slash den area slash possible guest room. We're gonna make this space work for us, but we have an extra room. Again, you can't really find shit like this in New York. Now, let's go to the hallway. So over here, our hallway's pretty short-ish, kind of not really. It's like a little L shape, but the first closet you see is pretty much gonna be coat closet, house a lot of different things. We still gonna figure it out as like we settle in and get organized, but if you come over here, the best part, our beautiful, gorgeous bedroom. Gorgeous. She's massive, she's long. We could fit a king size bed in here, which is exactly what we're gonna do, but it's a regular 16 feet, I believe, by 10, which is not bad. Again, tell me where you're gonna find an apartment like this in the city that's not rent stabilized. So to me, nice. And then over here is pretty much the closet. This is the definition of a walk-in in New York City. I keep saying in New York City because I still can't believe that I found this place to begin with. Like, hello, like, she's deep. We can put some dresser in there if we want to. And we have like a lot of like ceiling space. I'm 6 feet tall and I can put my hand up, almost touch the ceiling. So it's pretty much, I think, what, like 9 feet? Ceilings, that was bad math. I think it was probably like 8 feet. I don't know how tall the ceiling is, but that's not why we're here. We're not here to talk about how tall the ceilings are. We're here to talk about how gorgeous the new apartment is. And over here is pretty much nothing but closets, nothing but closets. This is actually gonna be my boyfriend's closet, and this is going to be the linen closet. Not that exciting, but it's a closet. Pretty much these are exactly like the ones that are in the bedroom, and this one is just like with shelves. It looks kind of messy, but again, we kind of tidied up a little bit, you know, all different things. And last but not least, it is all gorgeous, very, very stunning, bright. I don't know if y'all heard me. Bright bathroom. So y'all better be ready because the skincare content, the hair content, wash days, nighttime skincare routine, early morning routine, all the routines will be filmed in this bathroom. And this was a selling point because I wanted to make sure that it was a bathroom that I liked and that it was going to give me everything that I needed to give y'all the content. And again, very basic bathtub, mirror. We don't really have a cabinet on top. We only have like the storage on the bottom, which isn't that bad, but we're gonna end up getting something and putting some storage next to it. So we're gonna get whatever, but yeah, we're gonna try that.
Okay.
So that concludes our little apartment tour. I love this apartment. I'm so excited to make it a home and take you guys along on this specific journey. But before we continue with the moving vlog, right, had to give a shout out to Ray, our agent. She was amazing. Gonna put her card right here. If you guys are looking for an agent, hit her up. Anything in the New York tri-state area. I think she even does work in Jersey too, if y'all are looking there. Not too sure, hit her up, she'll let you know. But now it's time to lock the fuck in. It is currently raining, like I mentioned earlier, so we are about to do what we gotta do, move these boxes. But before all that, we gonna eat. So I'll see y'all, I don't know. I can't even tell y'all when I'm gonna see y'all because once we lock in, there's no telling like when I'm gonna have a moment to chat. So come along and enjoy this. Perfect. Watch your step, baby. That's it. I'm not gonna lie. Moving is already hard, but moving in the freaking pouring rain, 0 out of 10. Do not recommend. Do not recommend. But I would take blazing heat over this any day because I can always just sit in front of an AC. But here I'm still sweating and I'm wet because it's raining. But we're almost done. Right now they're just bringing in the last 2 drawers. This whole thing is taking us a little bit longer because we've been trying to bob and weave the rain, but it's like now it's just like we have no choice but to just hit the go mode. Like we had the stuff in the lobby for like a minute and the rain just keeps coming through. I wanted this to be so aesthetic, but this is the real deal actual moving experience. So here you go.
A few moments later.
Bro, this rain is seriously pissing me off. Like right now, like I love my new building. Let me just start off with saying that I love my new building because seamless, right? Seamless, like so seamless. But dude,
5 in the morning, I wake up to 5 for my earnings. You're in my mind is a warning. Brain to go on your line.
You're so cute.
I've been wandering all day. Try to be fine, but I can't be. The noise in my mind wouldn't leave me. Trying to get by, but I'm burning.
Come on, Dolly. And I ain't talking about parting. Y'all, we are literally on the last 2 boxes. Also, if y'all buying packing boxes, get y'all shit from U-Haul. Why are these guys soaking wet? But it didn't seep through. I had to check some of my clothes because I saw that it was literally deteriorating from the outside. But she's good. But we made it to the floor. Let's go, Pookie.
2 hours later.
Go to market, go to market, go to market, go to market.
We did it. Hello, you guys. It is currently the next day. Today, I will say this. We napped because we were tired. Wi-Fi is officially set up. And now on the list, we are currently about to go pick up Miss Raymundo, aka our agent, aka your future agent. And we're going to Ikea. Today was kind of like a little bit more chill because we wanted to, you know, get our energy back up to do the unpacking part, which I don't know how much unpacking we're actually gonna do today. I think that's mainly gonna be a tomorrow thing. Still trying to figure it out because I wanna make sure that I'm also using my time wisely. But one thing I do know for sure, we're on our way to Ikea vibes.
Leave me on red, baby, but I still get the message.
We made it. The best place in the world. Next to Disney World, of course. Try it. Yeah, let the bitches know. Uh-huh.
Instead of lines, 3 dots, but I can connect them. If it ain't right, babe, you know I respect it. If you need time, just take your time. Honey, I get it, I get it, I get it.
This couch, I was about to say, she's cheap.
This is my, alright y'all, this is my picture.
We in Ray's house.
Yes, I love it here. I do. I have a coffee.
Oh, come on, babes. Can you give me a little whip? You literally said you wanted to make your own coffee. These plates are cute.
Oh, it's a built-in fridge.
Yup.
We're not even trying to play, bro. This looks beautiful. Come
what?
on. No, it's a built-in fridge.
Shut the.
That's fire.
Built-in refrigerator.
It's a whole built-in. Mama.
Oh my God! Wow! Not you got it.
Yeah, come on, bro. It's a built-in. That's tea right there.
A studio apartment.
This is cute, yeah.
If I had a studio and it's velvet, right? Oh, sit on it. Sit on it.
Oh, I like it. It got a little
Brand new.
to it.
$1,300. But I feel like it's mad. I feel like it's mad bright and it spins. This is nice. Uncomfortable?
Uncomfortable.
Are we gonna still go with the acrylic one that we wanted, babe, or are we gonna?
That you wanted?
All right.
Sims, this is your work.
Okay. Say it again for the audience.
This is Sims and this is Soribel's work.
Let them know.
I got my little office.
Simply
I'm fine with that.
Period.
Oh, guys, I really like this little off right here. Hold on.
Whoa. This is the light I want, Pookie. I want this lamp. It's not a priority right now, but I'm just letting you know we're gonna buy that lamp. And they have the taller version.
This is super freaking cute.
The way you gotta crank this shit. Why am
I winding up? Imagine being late to a Zoom meeting, and then you're like, bro.
Get to it.
Like, that would blow my day.
Oh, look, the tall one right here, Pookie. Look. This is the one that I want. So it could be like next to the couch.
It's nice.
Way you got me all in my head. Think I'd rather you in my bed. Whatever it is, you know I can take it. I'm counting the days, how many days till I can see you again. Blowing kisses like will you catch 'em at night? I'm Cupid with arrows, babe, I'm just shooting my shot. If I could get in, drop me a pin, hopping up and come over. Don't wanna be friends, just in the skin, I wanna get closer and closer and closer. The way you got me all in my head.
Whoa, she's huge. Thank you. Hello, gorgeous people. I feel like I look so crazy, but this is just how we looking right now. But as you guys may have seen, we already got our couch, we got our mattress. So slowly but surely, it's starting to become a home. I'm so happy, and we're still pacing ourselves. So while we do have the couch and we do have the mattress, we still don't have a bed frame. We still don't have dining table, don't have a couple of things, but that's okay because we definitely had enough for the deposit. Okay, that's what matters here. Let's get into unpacking this kitchen and come along with me, y'all.
In the city, remember you used to drive a Yukon. Pick up whenever you call. In the parking lot in Tucson, like, are you with me? In the Phantom with the roof gone. I pull up like Jimmy Neutron. I can help you get a move on. Like you haul, and I know you like to go slow, but we could go faster. Tell me the password. Slide city, you know what that means. I'm coming up on you quickly. I bring nice things. Slide city, any other man tryna get in the bed, so I'ma get slashed instead. I know it's gonna make you bad, but what I do?
Love you, Louisa.
What would I do if I didn't love you, baby? What would I do if I didn't love you? Just wanna be the one to give you what you want. I got what you want and you shouldn't run. Riding around town with your hair down low. I know you like it when I tell you what you want. If you pay what you doing, what's wrong?
Okay, y'all, so little recap. No Home Depot. We were actually able to figure out how to fix the rod. As you guys saw, I was able to put some of my products into the bathroom. Obviously, as I continue to settle in, more and more things will fall into certain type of places, but right now the goal is to just get things done. And speaking of getting things done, we're about to finally build my desk because I go back to work tomorrow, and if we're gonna do anything tonight, is have this ready to go because the amount of emails I gotta catch up on for being gone this long. Yeah, so hope y'all enjoy this cute little montage and pray for us because Ikea is notorious for being full of bullshit. So let's get into it.
And if you hear this song, then go bend your back, go bend your knees, baby, shake it to the max. Will the DJ please turn up the bass to the max? Please just rewind, let me shake it to the max. And if you hear this song, then go bend your back, go bend your knees, baby, shake it to the max. Will the DJ please turn up the bass to the max? Please just rewind, let me shake it to the max. Don't got to fear, number one in command. I came just to kill me ain't too many times. They want figure eights, but I don't need a man. So they love how me wine, they make true religion. You dealing with the body, of course. Oh, you dealing with the boss. If we break up, yeah, you know that it's a loss. Upgraded every dude I ever touched. And if you hear this song, then go bend your back, go bend your knees, baby, shake it to the max. Will the DJ please turn